Okay, we've got a Smith Wesson BODYGUARD 38 Special revolver. So, first of all, safety check. It's clear. Okay. This revolver has an Insight laser, and we originally purchased this gun in 2012. It's now 2023, so 11 years. And the last time it was shot, the laser was very weak. So you activate the laser with this button. There you go. So I've already replaced the batteries in this, but let me show you how to do that, because it was not as easy and there was not a good amount of information readily available online. The other how-to video that I found on this was less than helpful. Okay, so to remove the laser, you take out this screw right here. But the issue with that screw is it is it's an Allen key, but it's tiny. I believe that is a 1mm Allen key. So there's actually one included with your firearm in the box. With mine, it was in the box, in the bag with the gun lock, and this is the Allen key. So hopefully you can find the original one. There's also another Allen key in the box. That I have misplaced. It's around here somewhere, but that one, here it is. It's even smaller, and that is for the windage and elevation adjustments on the laser, which is that screw and that screw. Okay, so both of those, again, were in this lock package in the box with the gun. If you can't find your original, I think this is a 1mm Allen key. The smallest that I had in any of my tool sets was a 1.5, and that was too big to fit that screw. So it may be hard to find a 1mm, and that may not be the exact size. I know that the 1.5s that I had were too big, and so it was a struggle. Thankfully, I was able to find still the original box and find this key in there. So it's very simple. You use the Allen key, take the screw loose. It was not overly tight. There's no Loctite or anything on it, but be careful. It's a very small screw, very fine engagement there. And if you do something stupid, you could strip it out. That would not be good. I've already filmed where I replaced the batteries in this, so I'll probably cut over to that now and show once it's removed. After you've unscrewed the laser off the pistol, it's one bolt. That bolt is right there. Then you find the assembly like this. Take this off. The batteries are originally in mine. They were Energizer 357 batteries. Now, I have a pack of batteries here. These came off Amazon. I keep several of these around because we have lots of stuff, kids' toys, whatever, that take these batteries. So they're cheap, and I usually always have a pack of 10 or so here in a drawer. But what you can see is there's several numbers that cross-reference to the same type of battery. These are LR44/303/357/SR44/AG13 batteries. I usually find them under LR44, and there's lots of different options to find these batteries. So you should be able to find these easily on Amazon, or probably at any store, using those numbers to cross-reference. So it takes two of those batteries. So I've got the new batteries put in here, and basically this plate is going to go back on here, and then I believe the easiest way to put this back on is going to be to hold this up and then turn the revolver over and screw them back together. Now, I don't have a stand to do that while I'm videoing, so I'm going to put this back together and I'll be right back. Okay, so now with everything back together, your laser's reattached. The one thing left to do is check the alignment. Because you took the laser off the gun, the alignment that you had is likely to have changed. And that's what you want. You want to adjust and make sure that the laser is correctly aligned with your sight picture. And if it's not, then what you're going to do is adjust the windage and elevation screws here. So I'll show you the manual here, because if you're watching this video, there's possibly a good chance that you don't have your manual. So you see the alignment that you're looking for, and then the adjustment on that is as such. The windage adjustment is a clockwise turn to move the laser beam right, and a counterclockwise adjustment to move it to the left, and elevation clockwise to move up, counterclockwise to move down. And the elevation screw is the one on the side. I'm sorry, the windage screw, left and right, is the one on the side. The elevation screw is the one on the top. So after you adjust those and get your sight picture correct, then you should be ready to go. So again, those are 357 batteries, which cross-reference with an LR44 or several other numbers. Should be easy to do. The batteries go in fairly easily once you figure out what you're doing and find the right Allen key here. So good luck. Leave a comment below if you have any issues.